What I love about interior design, it's about transforming spaces for people that corresponds to their personality and supports their lifestyle. I'm Marie Burgos from Marie Burgos Design and Collection. Welcome to my newest project in Carroll Gardens, Brooklyn. The design inspiration for this home was first and foremost my client's Brazilian heritage, celebrating nature, light, love, what we call in France, joie de vivre. This floor, as you can see, is an open concept. For this living area, I wanted it to feel like a tropical vacation. We use lots of warm woods, natural materials, and a few touches of greenery. Designing a space is all about balancing the yin and the yang. We chose this curved sofa as a contrast to that very elongated rectangular room. While all the seatings makes a design statement, they're also super comfortable, which is very important in a living room. One of the defining features of this home is the millwork, which you'll see throughout. It not only provides warmth and beauty, but also functionality. Storage, as any New Yorker knows, is prime, but always remember to make it look chic. Right off the living room is the very modern kitchen and a welcoming breakfast nook. Here we've installed Calcutta Gold marble countertop and backsplash. We've also replaced all the hardware in a dramatic black matte finish. And the bar stools are in the same style as these dining chairs. Overall, I wanted this area to feel like you're dining at the beach with the sand in your feet. It was important that the baby's room had a real sense of wonder, so I've integrated this custom-made wallpaper with dreamy characters. The kids' room is all about discovery. So we incorporated this play area with both table seating and a sofa with lots of textures to grasp. And of course, we still have the millwork following through on the ceiling. Here in the bedroom, I created an oasis of relaxation with a mix of hardwood material and plush surfaces. The custom cabinetry provides warmth and function with a full armoire and a desk area, as well as a custom platform bed in mixed materials. The light velvet upholstery of the headboard and the plush shag rug also bring soft, comfortable elements. So that the TV is not the dominant element on this wall, I dressed it up with this romantic wallpaper that reminds me of a summer evening in the country. The chandelier and pendant lights in custom hand-blown glass are real treasures. They provide a peaceful atmosphere and just add to the overall romance of the room. The family room on the garden level is the perfect space for entertaining in style. As with upstairs, this is an open floor plan, and I wanted to make sure all the elements from the rest of the home were down here. Of course, the millwork brings a lot of functionality in the space, as well as lots of warmth and style. Plus, there's the bar hidden behind one of the doors. I told you this area was created for entertainment. All of it floats out to the back garden, which is a dream to have, especially in New York. I hope you have enjoyed discovering this beautiful duplex in the heart of Brooklyn, where functionality, nature, and a Brazilian way of life comes together in style. Au revoir.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.